Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove the volume right here on ThinkorSwim. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple, but you need to know one simple setting. And that is right now, if we are going here to chart and then we are having here the chart, we want to remove this volume right here. Then we go right here to the wheel. And now we are having here a lot of chart settings. But what we're going to do right here is go to equities, options, futures, forex or crypto. And all those 5 options have here the option to show the volume subgraph. So let's say right now we turn this one off. So we are right now here on, now let's say futures. Then we click right here on show volume subgraph. Then we do apply and then we deleted it. Now for option, we can do exactly the same. For equities, we can do exactly the same right here. And now if you can see, we removed right here the subgraph. So this is how you can remove volume right here on the chart on ThinkorSwim. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.